Polestar 3 2024, the new Swedish alternative to luxury electric SUVs. Assembled on a different platform from the Polestar 2 sedan, this new vehicle will hit the North American market in the fourth quarter of 2023 as a 2024 model. The first units will come from China, then the Volvo plant in South Carolina will take the relay from mid-2024. Sporty and aerodynamic profile, the designers have focused on aerodynamics. Not only does the Polestar 3 adopt a coupé-like silhouette, but it incorporates elements such as ducting on the front of the hood and at the level of the rear spoiler to better control the flow of air. Even the 21-inch wheels have an aero profile. Polestar's signature LED daytime running lights are well recognizable, but these are integrated into uniquely shaped headlight clusters, while the grille, with SmartZone, for the sensors, is more discreet in size and completely closed. The trim around the fenders and lower body is very pronounced. Finally, at the rear, the lights are similar to those of the Polestar 2, but reversed and with a three-dimensional appearance. Eco-responsible and connected interior. Beneath the panoramic roof, the materials that make up the cabin of the Polestar 3 have been chosen for sustainability and ethics. This is the case of the fabric called Microtech, the leather from a supplier certified for the good treatment of animals, and the wool whose origin is fully traceable. On the technology side, the Polestar 3 innovates by using an NVIDIA Drive computing platform to efficiently manage all the data coming from the 5 cameras, 5 radars and 12 external sensors that support the next-generation safety and driver assistance devices. The Android infotainment system, co-developed with Google and powered by ultra-advanced Snapdragon software, offers high-resolution displays and unprecedented connectivity in a Polestar vehicle, it is said. It revolves around a central 14.5-inch screen and will of course be able to receive remote updates over time. Up to 517 horsepower. As mentioned earlier, the Polestar 3 focuses on performance and is therefore more powerful than the Polestar 2. With its 2 electric motors, it generates 489 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. The optional performance package, $7,000, will boost those numbers to 517 and 671, respectively, which is significantly more than an Audi e-tron or Volvo C40 Recharge, but less than a BMW X, for example. One-pedal driving will be possible thanks to the efficiency of the regenerative braking system and, interestingly, the rear electric motor will be able to deactivate when necessary in order to preserve battery energy in certain conditions. Speaking of the battery, its capacity amounts to no less than 111 kilowatt-hours, which suggests a range of around 482 kilometers according to Polestar's calculations based on US EPA standards. We like that, just like the heat pump included as standard, which will prevent heat loss and maximize the vehicle's range in cold weather. That's not all. With its two-way charging function, the Polestar 3 can be used to power other electrical devices, or even a vehicle that needs a small recharge. Finally, let's mention the air suspension with variable damping, which contributes to combining comfort and sportiness for what the leaders call the Polestar feeling. Canadian pricing for the 2024 Polestar 3 starts at $97,400 and online orders are already underway.